Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 18.2 with Neko Jailbreak. Let's get started. Search iOS 18.2 jailbreak NecoJB.com and visit the following page. This page provides an online jailbreak tool that gives you the opportunity to jailbreak your iPhone without Windows or Mac. Tap on Install Neko Online button. Open the Neko JB app and start the jailbreak. Wait some seconds to complete the process. Once the jailbreak is completed, you will see another app called NecoUtil. Open it. Now you can choose the package manager that you want to install on your iPhone. Here I am installing Sileo Lite. It's time to customize your device with jailbreak features like tweaks, themes, wallpapers, etc. Latest repositories. Packages can be seen inside Sileo that gives you better experience on jailbreak. Hurry up, install Neko Online tool, and explore the beauty on your iOS 18.2.